To improve your reach using post timing data, you need to understand when your audience is most active and engaged. Timing can make or break the performance of your posts, and by using post timing data, you can strategically plan your content to reach more people. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to track this data and implement it for maximum impact. Now, one of the first things you should do is gather your post timing data. If you're using social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, most of these have built-in analytics that show when your audience is online. This is key. If you post at the wrong time, even the best content will fail to get the attention it deserves. So take the time to study these insights. Here's a quick tip. Use our software to access this timing data in a simple and easy to read format. It's an all-in-one tool that can break down your post timing trends, helping you understand which days and hours your followers are engaging with your content the most. I'll show you how to use this software to find your optimal post times in just a second. Once you have this data, the next step is to adjust your posting schedule. If you're posting randomly or without data, you're leaving a lot of potential engagement on the table. Analyze your audience's peak times and plan your content around those windows. Let's say your data shows the most engagement happens on weekdays between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. You'll want to make sure your posts are going live within that time frame to get the best reach. Now here's the game changer. Consistently posting at the right times over a few weeks allows you to test and refine your strategy. You'll start seeing trends not only based on timing, but also on the type of content. For instance, video posts might perform better in the morning, while static images get more engagement in the evenings. By using the post timing data, you can pinpoint these preferences and fine-tune your strategy even further. A common mistake I see people make is ignoring the time zones of their audience. If you have followers across different regions, make sure to segment your posts according to their local time. This software helps you analyze your audience based on location, making it easier to reach them at the right times, wherever they are. For those of you watching, I've got an exclusive offer. I've tried the most popular post timing software out there, and this one stands out. It's easy to use and tracks everything you need to improve your reach. You can get a free trial of this software exclusively for my channel viewers just by checking the link in the description below. You'll be able to follow along with me as I show you how to make the most of post timing data. Now the key takeaway here is this. To improve your reach, you must use post timing data strategically. Understand when your audience is most active, adjust your posting schedule to align with these times, and fine-tune based on the performance of your content. This is a proven strategy for expanding your reach. Quick revision. Start by gathering post timing data from your analytics. Adjust your posting schedule to align with peak times. Segment by time zone if needed, and test different content types at different times. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to start improving your reach today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to grab that free trial and get started.